Alrighty guys, let's take a look at the trim on this thing. It needs to be a little bit darker, I feel. It is definitely sun worn and not black like it used to be. So let's take a look. That's all metal bumper. This is the back bumper on this side. Now you may be saying, oh, that's just the sun's making it look dimmer. Just wait, it's super faded, okay? See that? That's super faded. Even like in my shadow, it's super faded. This part, literally this side of the Jeep has been sitting in the sun for years and years and years. Even before I got it, it just sat in the sun forever. So all this, and like I came over and I tested it. You see the difference right there? Just a little dot right there to show you guys the difference. Even in the shade, in my shadow. Look at that difference. So we're gonna do that, and I'll show you. So far, that's the only issues I've had. I don't know if you can see it. It has like the little spots right there. I'm gonna hit it again. I just wanted it to cool before I touched it. So far, it looks pretty good, actually. A little bit surprised. So this is the trim after, and it's actually looks pretty black, right? Looks nice. It was not this nice when I started. So all the trim. Here's the back bumper, and that's metal, so I couldn't do that. That's not gonna. Alrighty, guys. So now we're in the sun. So I found that if you have like an area like this that you're going over, just kind of like lightly go over it first with the heat gun. Don't like sit like right here. Like it'll do it, but I feel like it's an easier conversion. It's not like an instant heat and like, oh man, it's just so boiling hot right here, and now it's like, oh, okay. So if you kind of get it all a little warm, like it's already warm for me kind of because it's sitting in the sun, and I mean, hello Phoenix, it's hot. So but yeah, I still like to, this shoots out a lot hotter than the sun is making it for us right now. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's already starting to look blacker right there. When you're doing this, guys, if you decide to try this, please just be careful. It's hot, okay? Also, guys, just make sure to take your time, do a good job. You don't want to really do this over and over and over again because you missed a streak here, missed a streak there. And yeah, this took me a grand total of like 2.5–3 hours to do both sides, and it turned out really great for me. I hope it turns out great for you if you decide to do this. But anyways, let's get back to it. Y'all, look at that. I just barely touched that. This part took like 20 minutes. I just barely touched that with the heat gun here, and it like instantly turned black. That's so cool. Just be careful with especially right here against the side of the car where it meets the car, because if you get the paint too hot, it could start to chip or break. And don't touch the plastic with the heat gun, because it'll melt it and you'll have the plastic on here smelling funky, as well as a big chunk missing from there. Let's continue, shall we? Watch how fast this changes. This is just crazy. So guys, I found that if you kind of like tilt it sideways a little bit, let it get sort of hot, it shoots the hot air further in front of it, and then it actually makes it go a lot faster. Check this out. It kind of goes like this. It's almost like an inch or two in front of where the heat gun is. Hope you can see that. So it looks like when I was using the heat gun, it kind of made the adhesive stop sticking a little bit. So please be careful about that kind of stuff. And look at the difference of that. Did this one already. Still need to do this one. That's a huge difference. Even if the adhesive's coming off, I have some super glue I can pop. Black, this part, like I say guys, be very careful. I barely just touched the heat gun to it and just melted there and there. So kind of bad about that. But yeah, the adhesive's coming off over here too. If you can see that, my finger's not in there, but it looks like it. Here we go. Hey y'all, so this is the final walk around. Looks like I did a really good job. I really feel proud about this. So still a little bit sad that the other side, the adhesive is coming off. Can't really tell. It looks like it's back to normal over there, but that's just because the sun's hitting it directly. Sorry about that. This, you can tell a lot better right here that it's black again. So that's good. And let's see here. Yeah, like all that. It's all black. That's beautiful. Go to the other side. Just get past that. And ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It turned out really well. Yep, it's definitely turned out nice. I'm really glad I took the time to do this. Let's see if it comes out better if I go this way. Ooh, a little bit. Just remember guys, again, be safe if you end up doing this. Okay. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. Next time we'll be doing something else, I'm sure. But thanks for checking it out, and I hope this little hack works for you as well. Yeah, that turned out really nice. The next day, it all looks like it stuck really well. Just went through some mud. Just the sun reflecting off it. It looks so much better than it did. Oh yeah. I don't know why that spot right there is just not liking me. I don't get it, but the rest of it as a whole looks awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and come back for more.